Morning guys, welcome to this lovely sunny Friday morning. It's quite warm. Oh, I'm out here trying to sort this lawnmower again. So they say you can do it with a drill. I tried the other day. I failed a few things, and then I made this myself, and hopefully this is going to work. Probably not. I just have to bite the bullet and buy the new bit, but I'm hoping this is going to work for now because the grass is long. Anyway, meant to be a big clean day today, but just having a quick tidy up. Jasmine's coming later. You won't get to see her because she won't come on the vlog, but she's coming to give the kids an Easter egg. So she'll probably stop for a couple of hours. So that'd be nice. Other than that, not a lot going on. We're all still feeling a bit ugh, you know. Liam and Rach and Soph got terrible coughs. Terrible. But yeah, it's only, I don't know, about 10 o'clock. It's absolutely lovely out here. Lovely. I said to Rach, I need a day of just doing some editing. But seems to be always something to do. I'm like, with us not feeling well and that. I mean, it's not an excuse because you could just sit there and do it anytime, but do you know what I mean? It's just, it's not been feeling it. That's all you can say, innit? But I hope you have a good Friday, a great weekend. I hope you have a great Easter, and hopefully there'll be some vlogs up shortly. Didn't get the lawnmower started, didn't think I would, but on my defence, I think my drill's not charged enough. It's not spinning fast enough. Just don't know why I don't buy the bullet and buy the new top bit. But yeah, hope to save money, innit? Anyway, yeah, scruff. This is why. As it's such a nice day, we'll put the pigs outside. We won't put them in there because it's ever so dirty, wet, muddy. So we put that on the grass and let them have some fresh air. Told you that other drill wasn't powerful enough, so I charged the other one up. Check this out.
What's the name, Dad?
Mummy?
Mummy, what's the name?
Hold it.
What do you mean that?
Do you want to start on the grass?
No, start it there.
What's the name?
Pull the thing. It's not working now. Ready? No, what are you doing? And there we are. It's cut. Never give up, that's what I say. Might have took me a couple of days to work it out, to get it to go, but I did it. All made by hand. I made this bit myself. I put a bolt through it and a screw through and a bolt. Charged this drill up and it worked, Lacey Lou. How are you? Good. Right, I'm gonna put all this away. How are you feeling today, Shirley?
My chest hurts.
Why is that freezer door
Yesterday,
open?
left at 3:30. So how many hours is that? 12.
Sorry, Rach did time sheets for work. Tit's out there. I think we've lost Tit now, guys. She's got the taste for it out there, been hanging about with all the kids and things, and that's it. Yeah, I just said to her when I just said no one's out today, why don't you come in? She was like, no. What do you say then, Soph? You're not feeling well?
It's my chest and my ears.
And how are you today? Oh, very solemn. It's 2:10. I finally got a couple of vlogs edited and uploaded. So they're uploaded for members at the moment, but will be available for everyone else later on. So going in the right direction. Still waiting for Jay to arrive. She has just messaged not long ago saying they're still in Boston at the minute. I think her boyfriend's getting some new window wipers for his car. So she said she might be running a bit late. But they'll probably be here in about the next 10-20 minutes or so. Hello, Rachel. Yeah. These kids don't stop coughing.
I think I've got COVID.
You've had a test, you haven't got it. None of us have got it. We've got something. Are you enjoying it out there? Playing with your friends? What you got there?
I think
You been to the ice cream man? Or lady? Was it a man or a lady?
man.
It was a man, was it? How much was that? They're expensive these days, aren't they? It's 5 to 6, guys. Jasmine's just gone. I did ask her if she wanted to come on the vlog. I don't think she wanted to, but I think I could have got away with it, but nah, I don't think she was keen on to. Her boyfriend, though, maybe he would have done. He seemed quite keen. So yeah, she come, bought us an Easter egg, bless her. Thank you very much. It was lovely to see her. Stayed a while. And now we're looking for Chloe. She's been out all day again. She's been making friends, hasn't she, Rach? Which is good, don't get me wrong. But yeah, time for her to come in now. It's starting to get a bit chilly now. Time for me to put some live vlogs live. Time to get the guinea pigs in as well. They've been out all day. Lacey's been worried about them, haven't you? She doesn't like them out there, but she's got to get used to it because they'll be living out there again soon. Yeah, I haven't really got a lot to say. We've got some out for tea. Have no idea. I'm sure the kids can help themselves, but with it being so light at night now, you forget what time it is, don't you, a little bit? So, yeah, it's been an alright day. Yeah, you can bring them in now, Lace. It's 20 to 9 in the evening, guys. We've had tea. It's gone, I don't know, it's just sort of been a strange sort of day because it sort of felt like it's sort of dragged in parts but then gone quick at others. But anyway, yeah, it's Friday evening and I'm proud of myself. Caught up with all my comments, caught up with all my vlogs. But because I've been so busy doing my vlogs today, and then obviously we had Jay come earlier, I haven't really vlogged much today. But it is what it is. You can't win it. You can't, yeah, you know. You know. We've been going to bed pretty early this week because we've not been feeling great. Although saying that, last night went to bed early, but you watched a film in bed, didn't you? I was sort of, I couldn't get the gist of it. It was rubbish, I thought. But anyway, tonight we're going to stay up and watch The Bay because we didn't watch it the other night. So we've sent the kids up to bed so we can watch this in peace. Yeah, Rach, it's the last one next week. Can't believe that. I could have sworn it was on longer than that. Yeah, like she says. Have to watch it, otherwise papers spoil it, don't they? So, alright, so that's what we're going to do. And then we'll go up to Bedfordshire. What can I say about The Bay? It just seems to get better and better each week. And it makes me more confused of who done it. But Rach says, last one next week. Sorry, you can't see me. Yeah, last one. Where are you? Are you gone up? Are you there? Yeah, last one next week, so I really don't know, but I'm looking forward to watching it. If we could have watched the next one tonight, I think we would have done, wouldn't we?
You got my stuff.
Oh, no, sorry. I've left your stuff in the room. Sorry about that. We normally take each other's gadgets up, whoever's turned the light off and shut the door. I didn't mean to, I don't know why. It's because I'm too busy talking to these guys. Anyway, since we sent the kids to bed, they've been pretty quiet, so when I go up, we'll see if any of them are still awake. Nearly asleep?
No.
Yeah. Still up, bunged up, boy.
Cool.
Night.
No.
Says flat out. Oh, you two are awake. You're very quiet. I thought you was asleep. Good night then. Love you. Good night, darling.
Love you.
Kiss. Good night, darling. Love you. Haven't really seen you today, have we? Been out on that scooter all day with people. Do you like playing out? Good night, darling. Oh, that's a nice bed. But will we sleep well or won't we? Again last night. What are you laughing at? Oh, he's opened the door again. That dog always does that. We always shut the bedroom door too. You know, keep the light out. I know we have the telly on, but, you know. And every night, Milo goes out the door and opens it. He don't like you to rest, that one. He's making you laugh. Does it do it every night, doesn't he? Hey? Probably gone looking for treats. Anyway, I don't even know what I was going to say now. He put me off. Not funny. Anyway, that brings... Where's he gone?
He's back in here.
He's back in here now. You can learn to shut the door. Anyway, I haven't got a clue what I was going to say now, but I'm off. So we'll end this one here. And we'll say Happy Easter to you. We'll see you tomorrow for Saturday. I feel like I want to say Sunday tomorrow, but it's not Sunday tomorrow at all. Saturday tomorrow. Bit of strange old week, isn't it? Anyway, we're on the mend. Like I said, weren't feeling ill as such, but just not right. And yeah, still not 100%, but we're getting there, guys. We're pushing through it, pushing on. You have to, don't you? Got no choice. Anyway, you guys take care and peace out.